Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. If this saves your stream setup, go ahead and smash that like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick tech saves like this. All right, let's talk about it. So you're streaming or recording and you need to get your second monitor into OBS, but you're not sure how. Maybe you want to show your chat, your game stats, or just keep an eye on things without messing up your main display. Super common, right? First, open OBS and look for the Sources box. Right-click anywhere inside it, then click Add, and choose Display Capture from the list. Name it whatever, just hit OK. Now a new window pops up. Click the drop-down under Display and select the monitor you want to capture. Monitor 2, your second screen. Whatever you've got. Hit OK, and boom, it's live in your scene. See that little eye icon next to your new source? Click it to hide or show that monitor anytime without deleting it. Perfect for when you need to switch views fast or quickly hide something from stream. And that's it. Your second monitor is now in OBS. Resize it, move it around, layer it, whatever works for your setup. Like and subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot if this leveled up your stream, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.